Looking for the perfect side dish for the holidays? Let me show you how to make this sweet and fluffy corn pudding casserole. If you've never had this one before, it comes together in a jiffy and it's one the entire family just loves. Let me show you how to make this one at home using your Blackstone. Corn pudding casserole, who's had it and who has never had this? All we have to do is simply mix together a handful of ingredients and let it bake in our oven. We'll get our E-Series oven turned on to 350, setting it at bake, and in an 8x8 casserole dish, I'll add 1 stick of unsalted butter, put that immediately into the oven. As it's preheating, this butter is going to slowly melt. Once that's done, we'll pull it out and using a rubber spatula, take some of that melted butter to grease the sides of our dish. And now it's just time to dump and mix. I'll add 1 can of drained whole kernel corn and 1 can of sweet corn cream style. Then we'll add 1 large egg, give that a mix, and add 1 cup of sour cream. Next up, one of the most inexpensive but delicious boxed goodies. We've got Jiffy corn muffin mix. Who loves this and how else do you like using this? We'll get that in there, season with a little bit of sea salt, give it a mix, and this is ready to bake. But this is also where the fun starts, because from here you can add anything else to your casserole that you want. Today I'm adding some freshly grated cheddar cheese. Sometimes I leave it out and sometimes I like to add it. I also like to add jalapeños, some chopped bacon. The possibilities are endless. If corn pudding is one of your family favorites, let me know down below. How do you like to zhuzh up your casserole when you make this? Now it's ready to go into the oven. We've got our temperature set at 350 and our time set to 60 minutes because traditionally in our kitchen oven, that's how long it takes. But we're going to test out our E-Series oven. After 10 minutes in here, it's already starting to rise. And in another 10 minutes, this has already reached the top of our casserole dish. For now, we're going to let this keep spinning and continue to check on it every 10 minutes. This is the kind of holiday side dishes that take 0 effort that I love. Now, while this is perfect for the holidays, there's no need to wait. You guys are going to love this. It's the perfect side dish really for any meal. So go make it and be sure to let us see you cooking this at home. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty. I cannot wait to see you guys for another family style favorite in my next video.